Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to check AliExpress seller. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device and then find whatever item that you want to purchase from a specific seller. For example, let it be this one. And then I want you to scroll down until you see name of the store. Then tap on it. And this is basically seller's profile. And tip for you, when you check for seller on AliExpress, aim for 95% positive feedback, at least 95% positive feedback, and the feedback score should be displayed right here at the top. So check it and aim for reliable sellers. So thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.